All right, so I've been updating my OBS layout to make it look nicer, and I'm sure it will level up from here. But what I did was I just put a Christmas moving wallpaper behind my normal starting soon screen, and just lowered the opacity of the other starting soon screen just to give it like Christmas vibe. And I'll probably leave it like this until after January 1st. So I'm just gonna stream like this for what is it? How many days do we have left? We have Christmas is tomorrow, and then we have the rest of the week, and then Sunday, next Sunday is the 1st. So probably leave it like this until like January or whatever, till the beginning of January, and then I'll just switch it back. And the beauty of it is that I could just switch everything back by just changing the 4K. I set it up to be 4K. I didn't know that the original moving image that I had in the background was 4K, so I had to go find a 4K Christmas wallpaper on the internet and use that one. This was the best one that I saw, and I had to make some edits to it where I had to take the end of it, chop it, and put it in front and crossfade it so that it would make a better looking, cleaner loop, and chop some of the beginning and the end off. It didn't look like a clean loop before, so that's what I did there. I have to add this to my BRB screen, so I'm gonna just copy this because I have to add this to my BRB screen. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna paste this reference. I'm gonna move this down underneath the media source, and now I gotta go to this media source. Okay, now we have it on the BRB screen. And then when you go to my full cam screen, my full cam is here, and you can see it in the background there. I have it on the background of this screen. On my unboxing desk screen, I didn't put it here, but I guess I could take it from here, put it on my, I don't really use this one that often. This is the reason why I didn't even bother putting it here, but we could put it here. Just put it behind out, everything like that. Cool, now it's Christmas themed. And then when I change this, since it's a reference, when I change the video file that is playing for this wallpaper, it will change it on all of the scenes. So go to my remix scene. You can't really see anything on my remix scene except for my regular stuff or whatever. I might put something Christmassy or whatever on my like webcam, and that'll be it. We're gonna close Facebook so we don't get any more alerts. Then so then my React scene, you can see it in the background here because I have my browser a little smaller than the entire scene to give it, I don't know, some like background, so you can see some background on there. And then I have like Christmas lights down here at the bottom with follow me on Twitter. So do that, follow me on Twitter. I need to push my Twitter more so I can get some more Twitter followers on there. Follow my Twitter. I have very, very few Twitter followers, so please follow me on Twitter. All right, so this screen right here is my my short screen. I legitimately stole this from Ludwig. I was watching Ludwig stream one day, and he did this really cool, like where he had, I think his was on the other side though, but whatever, same thing. Stole the idea from him, and so that I could like do reactions and watch shorts and stuff like that. I think that's really cool. So what is that? Her cat? Is that a wild cat? I've seen a similar short today. Jesus, they just don't stop getting better at Fortnite. Anyway, this is not a reaction video. Anyway, so the next scene I have here is my league interim scene, which is the intermission scene that I made, and I'm going to make this my intermission scene for everything, but I have to like do some other stuff before I can make it my intermission scene for everything. Because the only reason why I made this scene is because the League of Legends lobby client and the game client are two separate programs. So this one disappears and puts you into a game, and then when the game disappears, this comes back. So I needed something different, because anytime I stopped playing the game and came back to the UI, it would always just pretty much look like this without the Twitter banner at the top, right? Pretty much the only thing it would be here was this plain background, which is the whole reason why I made the please wait screen in the first place. So the please wait screen is made so that I don't have to switch scenes when my stuff disappears. So I do switch scenes back to this, but when I go into my league scene, which is this scene, it has the please wait thing on it, right? League will come up over top of everything except my cameras and block all this, which is cool, because when League goes away, you'll see please wait, follow me on Twitter, right? Now it's not bland, it's not something that's just not there, it's something to look at. It doesn't look like it's like out of place. So that's why I did it. And then I also in turn did the same thing for my regular main game screen. So like if I hide where is it if I hide my PC screen, when there's no game here, this is what it looks like, right? So like if I go to League, it's a little different, and then it's a little zoomed in because it's different for when I have the Yoru thing up there, which is my default and what I built it around. So I'm not changing any of the way this is laid out. It just zooms in a little bit when I'm on my main game screen. So like I have a League game screen, I have my main game screen, because like I play a lot more shooters and stuff, and this is what my shooter screen is for. And then like my league thing is when the two cameras are at the bottom. So I made it. I have to put the lights back here. So copy these lights, go to my main game screen, and put them here. So now put these here. Boom. Got some little festive lights and stuff there. I gotta move these down because they're all the way at the top, in the top layer. So move these down underneath, right above the Twitter banner. That's cool. Lock them. Great. Now everything is set up for like Christmas. It looks really Christmassy. It looks really cool. And then anytime if I want to change this, I'll just show you real quick how I change it. So if I stop this, right, and I go to properties, and I go to my default wallpaper, which is the Yoru one. Now it's Yoru. And when I switch to the other things, you know, you can see the Yoru thing back there, and it's the Yoru animated stuff. And you know, of course, the lights won't be there, but this is how I have my please wait screen for all of my other screens too. So yeah, I'm just gonna change this back. So I'm gonna stop it first, because last time I didn't stop it, it froze. So I just don't take the chance and not stopping it. So like, and that way it just changed the whole vibe. And there's a bunch of other ones. So like, even if I want to go find some other 4K, I would advise, if you do this, do it with 1080p, because there are many more 1080p things out there that you can pull from rather than 4K stuff. I had to find free 4K stuff. Now there's plenty of 4K stuff you could probably get if you pay for it. But I was just looking for something quick, Christmassy 4K video that I could make into a loop, or that was already a loop that wasn't too crazy, and you know, the nice snowfall and stuff. So this is what my OBS will look like for the next like week or so. Come through and see it in action when I stream. I probably will be streaming later today, which is the 24th, Christmas Eve, and then tomorrow I'll be going to my wife's family's house for Christmas, hanging out there, and then maybe you know, streaming some of the days after during next week. So come check it out. You know, I play Valorant, I play Fortnite, I play League of Legends now. I play, what else do I play? I have to finish Cyberpunk. So I'll probably be playing Cyberpunk at some point next week. My coughs have been ruining my videos, so I'm probably gonna edit this down to edit all these coughs, and hopefully you won't hear as many of them, but you'll hear it in my voice that I'm stuffy. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Peace, and see you later.